Solve for x. Log 120 base 125x plus log 125 base 125 5x is equal to a third. So log, so tunachukua kwa sababu iko common, log 125 into x. This is addition, means multiplication, times 5x is equal to 1 over 3. So this is the same as log 125 5x square is equal to 1 over what? 1 over 3. But remember, log 125 or let me log 10 base 10 100 equal to 2. This one is the base, this one is the answer, and this one is the power. What I mean is, this one is the base is going to be 10, the power is 2, 10 raised to power 2 is 100. So this is the base, this one is going to be the power, and this one is going to be the answer. The base, the answer, the power. And I will do away with the log. Omeno vile nimefanya hii, log 5, 125, the answer is 3. The power is 3. So this one is the base, this one is the power, and this one is the answer. So now I want to do away with the log. To do away with the log, I will say the base, which is 5, the power, which is 3, and the answer was going to be 125. So hapa I want to do away with that. I will say the base is 125, the power is 1 over 3, and the answer is 5x square. Lakini hii 125 is this one is actually simply this cube root of 125, and that one is going to be 5 is equal to 5x square. Sawa? So 5 you divide by both sides, so 5 equal to 5x square, you divide it by 5, divided by 5. So we have 1 is equal to x square. Tunataka x, so tuna find the square root both sides. So x is going to be positive or minus 1. The figure below shows two triangles ABC and PCD with a common base, PC. PC is 3, 4, AC is this, CD is 7.5, and the angle, this one is 90. The area of triangle ABC is equal to the area of triangle PCD. That is the most important thing here. Area of ABC is equal to the area of BCD. Hapa tuko na triangle mbili, unaona area ya hii na hii. Lakini tukiangalia triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle, tuko na AC, tuko na hypotenuse, tuko na base. Now we can get the height using Pythagoras theorem. So hapo ndio tunaanza. AC square minus BC square will give us AB square when we subtract, because this hypotenuse minus base it will give us this. So 7.5.2 square minus 3.4 square will be AB squared. So this one will give us 51.84 minus 11.56, and this one will give us 40.28. But we want AB, so we find the square root, and this one will give us 6.3 to 1 decimal places. So our height AB is 6.3 centimeters. Now what do we do with that height? This height is going to give us the area of ABC. We know area of a triangle is a half base times height. So we have a half times the base is 3.4 times the height we have calculated is 6.3, na hii inatupea 10.7 centimeters square. So tumepata the area of ABC. Very good. Now we go to the next question. Our 3 marks is already obtained. Calculate the size of angle ABCD. Angle BCD. Calculate the angle, the size of angle BCD. BCD. So we want to calculate angle BCD. We want this angle here. This angle theta here. So let us extract this triangle. Now we have extracted triangle BCD. This one is D, this one is B, and this is C. Tunajua hivyo. Lakini kitu tunajua ni kwamba area of ABC is equal to the area of BCD. Hiyo ndio tunajua. Na hii triangle BCD tumepewa two sides na tumepewa angle between them. Sawa? So tunajua kutafuta area, how do we find the area of a triangle? Kuna njia tatu. Kuna ile formula ya Iron's formula, kuna half base times side, na kuna half side times side sin theta. So if I use that one, the area of AB, so area of BCD is equal to a half side times side sin theta, because this side and then this angle between them. So area will be 1/2 times this 3.4 times this 7.5, then sin theta. We don't have the theta here, this angle. Lakini tunajua kwamba this area will be equal to the area of the other triangle ABC, which is equal to 10.7 centimeters square. So we calculate everything here. We are going to have 12.75, everything here, sin theta is equal to 10.7. Tunataka theta, remember we are looking for the size of the angle C, theta. So we can divide by here 12.75, tutoe hii hapa, divide by 12.75. Hii inaisha, tunabaki na sin theta is equal to, you divide by this using your calculator, you find it is 0.8392. Lakini tunataka theta. How do you get theta from here? You find the sin inverse. So theta is equal to sin inverse 0.8395. Kutafuta sin inverse unafinya shift sin and then unaweka hii number. Shift sin alafu itakupea hii. So ukifinya hapo inakuletea theta is equal to 57.1 degrees. Lakini wewe ukitumia macho yako vizuri, hii angle iwezi kuwa less than 90. This is an obtuse angle. Kwa hivyo the angle here is the obtuse of this angle. So our correct theta is equal to 180 minus 57.1, the obtuse. And that one will give us 122.9 degrees. So the angle BCD is the obtuse of this angle na ni 122. So vitu zingine hapa sasa ndio unafaa utumie the knowledge you have gathered since types of triangles, angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, leaflex angle. So hiyo knowledge unafaa uitumie hapa. Very nice. Sasa tumepata angle, na the next thing tunatafuta ni length BD. We want the length BD. So B, remember the sine rule and the cosine rule, lazima ujue in hizo formula. So D, this one from BC, we will have small d. The opposite of B is this one, so we will have small b here. And C is here. So we are going to calculate now the length BC, which is C. We know that C square is equal to D square plus B square minus 2BD cos C, cos capital C. Your formula is this is the cosine rule, the cosine rule. So c square is going to be d square. D is 3.4 square plus b 7.5 square minus 2 times 3.4 times 7.5 cos, tuko nayo cos c ni 122.9. This is the same as 67.81 into 51. This times c times this will give you 51 cos 122.9. This will be the same as 67.81. Oh, sorry, there was a subtraction here, minus here. So minus into minus, whatever is coming is a subtraction, which is 27.7. A negative times a negative is going to be positive. So we will have 67.81 plus 27.7. And this one will give us 95.51. So c square is equal to 95.5, but tunataka c, hatutaki c square. So we find the square root both sides, and the c is equal to 9.8 centimeters. 9.8 centimeters. Finally, the size of BDC. We want the size of BDC. We want the size of BD. So we want this angle here. We want this angle here, alpha. How do we get the angle? We will use now the sine rule. The sine rule says that, so let me sketch this here. Now we want to get this angle here, this angle, but we know the sine rule. The sine rule says that D, we can say D over sine D, this D, will be equal to, we can use C, which has an angle, C over sine C, right? So D we have, that is 3.4 divided by sine D, we are looking for D, is equal to C. C we have obtained the C, dPc, that is 9.8 divided by the sine 122.9. That one will give us the same thing. So we multiply, cross multiply, we will have 9.8 sine D will be equal to 3.4 sine 122.9. You cross multiply. We want the D, so we can divide it by both sides by 9.8, divided by 9.8. So sine D is equal to 0.29313. So ukifinya calculator you will get this one. Lakini tunataka D, hatutaki sine D. So we want D. D is equal to sine inverse of 0.2913. And D itakupea 16.9 degrees.